Cloudera DataFlow is a comprehensive real-time streaming data platform to manage your data in motion journey from edge to cloud across its 3 tenets. CDF's edge and flow management capabilities offer a no-code visual user interface for you to create, change, tune, view, start, stop, trace, parse, filter, join, merge, transform, fork, clone, or replay data flows. Connect any data source to any target with such pipelines. CDF's Streams messaging capabilities allow you to buffer and distribute the real-time data streams to other enterprise and cloud applications. CDF's stream processing and analytics capabilities allow you to process millions of real-time data points to analyze and detect complex patterns to predictive insights. Powered by SDX for unified security and governance across the platform, CDF extends your on-premises streaming capabilities seamlessly to the cloud with CDP. Learn more at cloudera.com/CDF.